Welcome to navigating the Concur Travel and Expense homepage. The Concur homepage provides quick access to the travel tools and information that you need to book your travel and manage your travel requests, expenses, and approvals. To get to the Concur homepage, please go to the FISCAF website, then under Quick Links, locate the Concur link under Travel and sign in with your SF State credentials. When accessing Concur for the first time, please make sure to update your user profile under Profile, then Profile Settings. Use a quick taskbar at the top of the screen to quickly view and act on tasks. The Trip Search section provides the tools you need to search air, car rental, and hotel rates for your travel request. But please don't book your travel here, and instead book your travel under the Book action of your approved request. Review important information in the Alerts and Company Notes section to stay up to date as you plan your trips or submit travel requests and expenses. Also, here you can find our new travel agency, Christofferson Business Travel's contact information. Use the My Task section to view open requests, expense reports, pending approvals, and available expenses, which will house any U.S. Bank Travel Ghost Card transactions for airfare or e-receipts sent by a participating vendor via Concur Travel. In the My Trips section, you can view your upcoming trips that you booked via Concur or your travel plans that you sent to Concur so you always know where you're going next. And lastly, click the SAP Concur icon to return to this homepage at any time. Please check out our other Concur-related videos. Thanks for watching.